Hi, we were lucky to be invited by Dfinity to present autonomy at their fourth anniversary. And I messed up. I'm not good at this kind of thing, and I apologize. So here's the redo. Same slides, same message, only from my desk this time. Because this project deserves to be understood. Thank you, Dfinity, for inviting us, and of course for building the Internet Computer Protocol. Autonomy simply wouldn't exist without it. We tried 10 years ago on Ethereum, but it was impossible. And it still is. All those advantages of ICP were important in our choice, but the mandatory ones were composability and IoT support. We are just scratching the surface of Web3, but I already know that copy-pasting Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook in it won't work. Web3, it's a whole new world. So we built autonomy from scratch with a Web3 mindset. The autonomy platform is a library of software building blocks. Each of those building blocks is performing a distinct function like chat, audio, video, share screen, you name it. And here is the disruptive part. We didn't stop at software. We added IoT building blocks to the library. They connect ICP directly to your hardware, sensors, actuators, machines, devices, means of production, and transform it into a self-managing one. We call this bridge Alvin. They can run on everyday devices like laptops, smartphones, desktops, or on dedicated hardware. We call them Alvin boxes, and they can be either stationary or mobile. Next up is Dapster, our AI dApp generator, hopefully soon powered by caffeine. It enables you to create bespoke Web3 applications from reusable building blocks. This is where ICP composability is mandatory. You describe what you need, and Dapster assembles those Lego-like modules for you. Whether it's secure messaging or a tool that controls real-world hardware through Alvin. Your description, your dApp, your deploy. Let me show you what's possible to build with autonomy. These next examples highlight how powerful it is to connect ICP directly to machines. So it will be about Alvin and Alvin boxes. And it's not just theory, it's already happening. Say you want to rent an apartment for 2 weeks, but Airbnb takes a huge cut. With autonomy, you just install an Alvin-powered smart lock on your door, and it gets its own ICP identity and wallet automatically. Your guest unlocks the door with their phone and pays the lock directly. No intermediaries. Safe, full profit, win-win. Take it further with an Alvin Hub. Link any appliance to it and you can rent them to your guests on a pay-per-use basis. You can run a decentralized 3D printing service in your neighborhood. Install 3D printers in homes or in public spaces. Link them to the same Alvin Hub. It will automatically hook them into Autonomy Network and give them their own ID and wallet. Users can print remotely and pay those machines directly. The 3D printer, at its turn, can share profit with other stakeholders. No intermediaries. Over a year ago, we had a call with Dominic Williams. We showed him our work. He had a brilliant suggestion. Use AI, hopefully caffeine, to help users design the printable object. We tested it, it works. Provide scooter rental services in your neighborhood. Install a mobile Alvin box on any scooter, off-the-shelf or self-built. It will automatically hook it into the autonomy network. It gets its own ICP identity, wallet, GPS, camera, and so on. Users can now rent and pay the scooters directly on-chain. The scooter itself can split revenue with multiple stakeholders. The same work with cars with a special Alvin box. The next two examples are pure digital ones. You can build a forum out of autonomy building blocks. Why not the Dfinity forum? Second, what about a secure collaboration tool like Signal or Telegram, but truly Web3? We showed this to Dom, and his reaction was, this is a Slack for utopia. Here you have it. Wallet, chat, groups, video, whiteboard, 3D model viewer. And very important, your own deploy. So, Where are we today? For the moment, we keep all the building blocks aggregated in one dApp. They are working as a whole. This allows a familiar look and feel for beta testing and prototyping. It's building Motoko on its life, not just a concept. Our team uses it every day as a replacement for Slack and Telegram. We have our own token and obviously a built-in wallet. You can transact straight from your chat box. By the way, the platform already rewards you for using it. Some of the projects we showed you are already live. Each has its own public group on the platform with ongoing discussions and open source documentation. And I have to insist, the most disruptive part of autonomy is the IoT Alvin suite. You can remote control hardware and transact with it. So, we've laid the foundation. Now we invite you to propose and develop new ones. Some examples here. As you can see, they are all business oriented. First, we're looking for funding to scale up our development. Depending on this, we plan on releasing Dafter next year. In the meantime, join Autonomy. Please spread the word and help us grow the ecosystem. We've proven it works. Now it's your turn. Thank you.